All right, what's going on, guys? It's Nano back again with another video. Thanks for stopping by. And on today's video, we're going to be talking about the Everyday Case by Peak Design. Now, this is for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And believe it or not, this is actually not even their most updated model, if you will, about this case, because they did or are releasing one to fix some little nuance with that action button. So I preface this whole review with that right there. What I want to do for this video is obviously take a look at this everyday case. This is going to be their yellow color. I don't know what you want to call it other than it's yellow. But Peak Design isn't new. It's not a brand new company, but it is a company that has 100% gone feet first into the accessories market in terms of what all you can do and create with your phone, whether that's an Android, an iPhone. And I'm really excited about this case, specifically because of this part right here, this little section. So before we go any further, let's just go ahead and take a look at the case, what we got, what we don't got, and go from there. So obviously it comes in multiple colors. This right here being the yellow. Let me go ahead and start off by saying, like, it feels really good. Like there's like just a premium feel to it. Obviously on the back right here, you're going to have your MagSafe ring. You're going to have your cutouts there for the camera, power button, volume rocker. On the bottom, you're going to have all the cutouts that you need. And then the part that Peak actually came out and made a video talking about how they want to improve and upgrade this case is this little hole right here for the action button. Now, previous to the iPhone 15 lineup, there was no action button. It was a mute switch, right? So you'd get in there with your finger and you would actually hit that mute switch. But now there's a actual action button that you can customize to make your phone open or do certain things. Peak Design said that it wasn't the best experience going in there to press that button, so they are coming out with a new case with an improvement to that. Quite frankly, I really don't care, but I do love that they went above and beyond, took their time and energy to let customers know that it's not to their standard. It's not what they want us all to experience. And then there's customers like myself who are totally fine with rocking out this case to how it is designed. But with that being said, I wanted to let you guys know this. If you're watching this video as of November of 2023, there might already be a new updated version out already, or they're still currently working on it. I'm fine either way, but let's go ahead and get this in the phone itself, and I'll be right back. Ready to go. So I've been rocking this Spigen case, obviously MagSafe compatible, but I am really super into, intrigued by, excited, whatever term you want to use, by the functionality that they are bringing to the table with their case. Oh, yeah, that's nice and clicky. Just took a whole screenshot, but take a look at that. I actually really like the yellow color. So there's the action button. So let's see if we have a hard time getting to it. I mean, you can press it by all means. Yeah, I can definitely press it. Not a lot of lip. I don't know if you guys can see that. Not a lot of lip. The camera module protecting part just barely is higher than the actual camera lenses. But tactile buttons, cutouts look nice. Feels super good in the hand. Let's go ahead and take my MagSafe wallet. Yeah, that is not going anywhere. Those are strong magnets. So one thing that I definitely want to focus on is this, I don't know what they call it, but this proprietary connection here in the back of the case, right? So you've got slight indentation, and what Peak Design claims is that you're able to actually go ahead and use other accessories to attach to the back of this case. So they've got their own smart wallet, MagSafe wallet, whatever you want to call it. They have other accessories like tripods and bike mounts and things like that. And it uses like a mix of the magnets, right? So the MagSafe that's already designed into the phone with and in conjunction with this little snapping mechanism. I think it retails for about 50 US dollars. I really like the feel of this case. It's not the most, protected case, if you will. I'm definitely a little concerned by the thinness of it, but for everyday usage, it definitely feels good. I do know that Peak has combined with Nomad to make a more rugged version of this case. That's a case that I might actually end up getting here, depending on how much I end up using this case. But anyways, I've been rambling. Like this video if this is the kind of stuff you're into, accessories, tech, and things of that nature. Please consider subscribing and stay tuned for further videos. We're going to be reviewing and, like I said, opening and looking at the accessories that go along with this case. And then I've got some other tech coming down in the pipeline as well. Like always, it was Nando. Peace, salute, adios, and stay tuned for the other videos. Thanks, guys.